jQuery Effects Tutorial. Chapter 5. Animate. jQuery Animation. The jQuery Animate method is used to create custom animations. The required parameter defines the CSS properties to be animated. The optional speed parameter specifies the duration of the effect. It can take the following values: slow, fast, or milliseconds. The optional callback parameter is a function to be executed after the animation completes. Note: by default, all HTML elements have a static position, and cannot be moved. To manipulate the position, remember to first set the CSS position property of the element to relative, fixed, or absolute. The following example demonstrates a simple use of the animate method. It moves a div element to the right, until it has reached a left property of 250 pixels. When you click the button, it will move. Notice that multiple properties can be animated at the same time. When you click the button, the box will move and the properties assigned applied on the animation. Note: is it possible to manipulate all CSS properties with the animate method? Yes, almost. However, there is one important thing to remember. All property names must be camel-cased when used with the animate method. You will need to write padding left instead of padding dash left, margin right instead of margin dash right, and so on. Also, color animation is not included in the core jQuery library. If you want to animate color, you need to download the Color Animations plugin from jQuery.com. It is also possible to define relative values. The value is then relative to the element's current value. This is done by putting plus equals or minus equals in front of the value. When you click the button, the box will move and the box bigger and bigger. When you still click the button, it is infinite size. You can even specify a property's animation value as show, hide, or toggle. When you click the button, the box will appear and disappear multiple times. I click the button again. By default, jQuery comes with queue functionality for animations. This means that if you write multiple animate calls after each other, jQuery creates an internal queue with these method calls. Then it runs the animate calls one by one. So, if you want to perform different animations after each other, we take advantage of the queue functionality. When you click the button and back into a normal size. The example below first moves the div element to the right, and then increases the font size of the text. When you click the button,